Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I got some mail today. Barb's Country Home. And it's from Dominic. I am not going to try to pronounce that last name. Dominic M. Fire it up, it's a smoking, oh yeah, nice. This is a really nice sticker. Thank you, Dominic. I really appreciate it. And this is his channel. He's got a lot of nice things going on here. He's got Fire It Up Friday, and people send him a bunch of mail and gadgets, and I really enjoy this channel. I really do. Bye-bye. Check him out. Tell him Barb sent you. And I appreciate the sticker. Now I have 2 stickers. I don't know what I'm going to do with these stickers, but I'll figure something out. And I got some stickers made, so you both will get one in return. I just want to say thank you and God bless. I got another package as well from Grubterra. They want me to do a review on these black soldier fly larvae. So look for that video coming soon. We'll see how they like them. Alright, y'all have a good week.